What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. What is up, my FCBs? Today I'm going to be making a recipe straight from the Fit Club. This one is a brand new recipe, so I'm hoping it turns out really good. It's a really simple recipe. It is slow cooker protein bars. So essentially we're gonna make it. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and then we put it in the slow cooker and we leave it for 3.5 hours. So if you're a busy mom, busy working, this is something that you can just whip up in the morning or even the night before and just leave it and then throw it in the slow cooker when you're ready and you can leave the house. So let's get started. So your first step is to line your slow cooker with parchment paper and coconut oil. I may have used a tad too much. So I just put a big piece and then I put my fingers around it and then cut it out and put the oil on. So it's got to go in the slow cooker for 3.5 hours. So now I'm gonna get my workout in. I have some work to do, and then I will see you guys back here when it's time to pull them out and do a taste test. Because again, this is the very first time I've made these, so I'm like crossing my fingers that I'm filming this and they're actually gonna turn out. They look delicious in the photo, so we will see it. I'll see you soon. Let's see how those things are doing. You ready? Do you think I screwed it up? Whew. Steaming. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. You guys, they're done now. So I've just flipped them out and I have to let it cool now, but it's got that paper on it. So we'll see how well this comes off. So I'm gonna let it cool. I've got to go get my girls from school and then I'll come home and cut it and I'll taste test it and let you guys know. All right, you guys, so those protein bars are all done. Super easy to make and super delicious. I'm gonna put the macros right here for you. Super macro friendly, amazing pick-me-up snack in the afternoon. Super healthy. There you go. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave your comments in the comment section, and everything will be in the show notes, you guys.